One is insight. The other is observation. And then I would
Ooh.
add like trend or data to that category. And those are like really vastly different things, but they kind of all get lumped together by my cross-functional partners. And so like the insight, which you may not always get, is kind of that like golden nugget that you're going towards of like this breakthrough about someone's, attitude or behavior, or like something that elevates what you've done and like takes it a few steps higher. The observation is just like the rote thing that someone is doing. So if you're doing, here's another term, like a usability test, for example, and you're having someone complete a task. So you're saying like, I don't know, can you click on this button? Let's make it super simple. Like the observation is like they could not click on the button. The insight would be like, oh wow, like they actually think the button means this other set of things,
Mm.
which ties into something else. And then the third term I said is like data or trend. Those are different things, but again, we and a lot of tech companies I've worked for are very, very data science heavy and heavy on experimentation. Now I'm throwing out all the terms, which means we'll run like a experiment, whether it's A/B test or some sort of we'll throw something into the world to like 2% of our riders, let's say, and then we'll see what they do and we'll make a decision based off of that. But again, like what we do as researchers is like that really wonderful deep research. We're like really digging into the whys of what people are doing and what informs them and all of that. And in my mind, I'm trying to get to an insight if I can, or a few insights as a result of those interviews. But I feel like it's often confounded. Sometimes I need to do a little bit of explaining with folks about like, okay, this isn't the observation. This isn't the data science or the behavior, as it were, in that way.